Technology Tower represents your relationship with the internet and will help us understand its mechanics. It illustrates how data moves and what control you have at each step. Let's take a look. The top floor is the observation deck, the place to be. It's home to the most knowledgeable professionals offering access to the world's information, services, and experiences. These philosophers, historians, and teachers discuss global issues, answer questions, and seek to improve life for people outside the tower. Yet despite their expertise and willingness to help, they remain human, subject to bias and self-interest. This floor represents the internet. Millions of connected computers providing knowledge and run by different parties with varying goals. You stand outside Technology Tower, facing its grand lobby entrance. Like everyone else, you seek the counsel of top floor advisors. Just as when you go online, you're ultimately after something: research, entertainment, communication, or trade. But there's a catch. You can't physically reach the top floor, just as you can't travel through copper wires or Wi-Fi signals. To access its resources, messages must be passed up and down the tower's floors. Here's how this works. The ground floor, or lobby, represents the device you use to go online. Your tablet, smartphone, laptop, and today, everything else from your car to your watch. The lobby is the only part of the tower you physically interact with. Just as you type a query into a search engine, like, "What's the best shampoo for my dandruff?" you hand your question on a piece of paper to the concierge to be sent upstairs, and then wait in the lounge for the expert reply. The first floor is the machine room, housing the elevator motors, air conditioning, pumps, and wiring, everything that keeps the building running. It's not glamorous, and no one notices it, but it's essential unseen infrastructure. This floor represents your device's operating system, or OS. Don't worry about the strange name, you've likely heard of some. Apple uses iOS, Samsung and others use Google's Android, and most computers run Microsoft Windows. Just as the machine room quietly keeps the building running, your OS is pre-installed software that runs your device behind the scenes. It automatically operates the camera, screen, speakers, and buttons so they all work right out of the box, no extra apps needed.